In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert text templates in Canva. If you've ever wanted polished, ready-made text styles without fiddling with fonts and spacing, this is a quick and reliable way to get them onto your design. Start by going to your project in Canva, so your design is open on the screen. You'll see the main editing area in the center and a vertical toolbar along the left. In that left toolbar, find the Text tab. It typically has a T icon, and click it to open the text panel. This panel is where Canva organizes everything related to text, from simple headings to curated pairings. Once the text panel is open, scroll down. As you move past the basic options, you'll find a section filled with text combinations, often labeled as text templates or font pairings. These are pre-designed groups of text that already have coordinated fonts, sizes, weights, and sometimes effects like outlines or shadows. The benefit here is speed and consistency. Instead of mixing and matching fonts on your own, you get a professionally balanced look straight away. As you scroll, take a moment to scan the styles. You'll notice options suited for bold titles, elegant subtitles, playful announcements, or clean, minimal captions. Think about the tone of your design, whether it's a presentation slide, a social post, or a flyer, and let that guide your choice. If your design is busy with images or color, a simpler, high-contrast template may read better. If your canvas is minimal, a more decorative style can become the focal point. When you see a text combination you like, simply click it. Canva will place that template directly onto your design. It usually appears near the center of the canvas, so you can spot it right away. Give it a moment to load if your connection is slow. Larger or more stylized templates can take a second to render. If you click the wrong one by accident, no worries. You can always select a different option from the panel in the same way. That's all there is to inserting text templates. Open your project, click the Text tab on the left, scroll down to view the available combinations, and click the one you want to add. This method helps you maintain a cohesive look across your design while saving time and reducing guesswork. Thanks for watching, and now you know exactly where to find those polished text styles and how to add them to your project with just a click.